How to fix could not find the recovery environment on Windows. Let's get started. First, run command prompt as admin. For that, go to Windows search bar and type cmd. After it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now here, you'll need to type in the command prompt REAGENTC /enable and then hit enter. You should see Operation Successful. Now try resetting your PC again. If this solution didn't work out for you, you can follow next method. Plug in USB flash drive, at least 8 GB recommended. Go to search and type create a recovery drive. Click it, then click yes when prompted. Follow these steps to back up system files to the USB drive. Once that's done, you can boot from recovery drive and safely reset your computer. And that's how you fix the missing recovery environment issue in Windows. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.